Fourth Dimension are an accident repair specialists that deal with every aspect of a motorcycle claim. So for Bennett's policyholders, we're the single port of call for dealing with repairing their bike and dealing with their insurance claim.
Well, a lot of the customers are pretty surprised about what we do and the level of detail that we do go into. We keep them informed as to how the process is going, from the very start of the estimate to the end of the estimate.
It's great because you get to work on every single make of motorcycle that's produced. We've got a fantastic facility here, our engineering department, all the special tools that we need, we have.
I've worked here for such a long time and I've really seen the company grow. When I started there were 5 of us, so you can imagine the changes over the years, and working with such great people, as well as the passion and pride people show in their work.
We deal with every aspect of a claim, so everything that a customer needs following an accident on their bike, we deal with for them. So it's all done under one roof. They speak to one group of people all the way through.
We're such a well-organised company here. We're all under one roof. Everybody works together as a team. Different people are stronger in different areas than others, and that is a good thing because people learn, and we have the people here with the skills and the mindset to do the job properly in the first place.
We offer a door-to-door collection service all over the country. We go out in our own specially kitted out vans that are designed solely to pick up motorcycles.
All the bikes are kept in a dry storage building, heat temperature controlled, so it's all looked after. The bike's not going to deteriorate, but you know, we just reassure the policyholder that we're looking after their bike.
We do plastic welding here, which a lot of companies don't do, and that's actually putting the plastic that the plastics are made of back into the bike itself, so it's as strong as it would be originally for the manufacturer. That's all refinished inside and out, so you can't see the repair at all. It's basically an invisible repair.
Generally, when you go to a dealership, you would ask them for an estimate. It will be taken off to a technician. They will quickly have a look over it. There'll be no discussion on how it happened, how the accident happened, so they've got no sort of information. Whereas here, what is unique is that we discuss, each estimator discuss the damage that's causing the accident.
We've got our own mixing scheme, which is obviously we mix and match all our colours in-house. Colour matching is a very specialist skill. It takes years to learn.
We strip the bike down if necessary, forks out, roll them, put them on a DTI gauge to just assess that the forks are okay. Look for any structural marks on the frames. Then we get all the prices. We then work out whether the vehicle is going to be repairable or not.
Our colour library has basically been built up over the 14 years that we've been operating as a company. It obviously is a lot of knowledge which we've built up ourselves. A lot of the tints are unique to stuff we've done ourselves, so only we would have them.
Bennett's chose Fourth Dimension as a service provided by bikers for bikers. We all enjoy working here because we're all passionate about bikes. We're all a family of bikers.
As far as I'm concerned, when the customer gets his bike back, he's had the best job possible in the motorcycle trade.